Climb inside the 2017 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.